Yeah, good day, guys. Welcome back to Diko Graphic Design Training. I believe we're doing great. Today, I want to show you how you can edit 3D text effects on your Photopea. As you can see, here I am on my Photopea website using Chrome browser as one of the reliable search engine for Photopea. So right now, without wasting much of our time, let's dive into this. I want to retype the address. This is the website address www.photopea.com.com. Sorry. Then you load it. After loading, click open from computer. Click on file. Then this is the mockup I want to use. This is a preview. This is the mockup itself. The preview is the picture you are able to see. This is the markup. How can you identify? There is a PNG address here, .png and the .psd here. That is one. Second thing is this one size is 10, as you can see it, having a lower size. This is the 54.16 MB. Don't worry about the sizes. Even 1 gig RAM we edit it. Let's tap on it. I will drop the link to the markup. Just download an extract as usual. I believe by now, watching couple of this kind of PSD presentation on the markup on the Photopea, you should be able to know how to extract markup successfully now. So having done that, then we are waiting for the Photopea to load the markup. Then we can go ahead. Now you can see this is the markup. Markup is a template that we can use to replicate. We can use it to replicate a design. We can use our design. We can replicate it using this particular markup. Now I want to put, instead of back to school, I want to put my own brand name, Diko Graphics. Then there are three things there. How can I remove others that I don't want? Stay tuned as I'm going to show you how to do this. Click on the layer at the left hand side. Then you see, after opening the layer, there are three things there: main text, second text, and the third text. Now the main text, I'm going to click it first. I will deal with the third text, which is the last one. That is double tap. Then you see what is there? To. I don't need to because it's not part of my name. I will hide it. After hiding it, there's nothing there. I will go to the file and click on Save with Smart Object to run it. Despite the file, nothing was there. I will click on back here. You see, that's the name of the file. You see, what is there? To as removed because it's not removed, but I hide it. Now, after hiding it, the next thing I will do, click on the second one. So after clicking, then you can see school. I want to change it to graphics. So tap. You see there is a dot here. There is a dot beside eye icon. Just make sure you tap that area. Don't tap on school. The one at the middle of the eye icon and the school, tap it. So when you tap it, your clipboard will go up. Then you can now edit. You don't see it, don't worry. You edit and type graphics in capital letter. After typing graphics, then you look up the size at the top here. If your own doesn't have size, you see there is a T where my blue is blue here. There is a C which is blue here. It means I'm on text. If your own doesn't have that, just click on it, then you will see sizes here. You tap on the sizes and change it to 230. So after that, click on the blue, which is the tap icon here. Then everything should be able to change. If it doesn't change, don't worry. This is graphics. But we want to change it now to reduce the size. You can click here. You click until when the keyboard pop up. So it means it's ready for editing. Okay, I'll still not that one. Okay, you can change it to 234. Now tap this. You should be able to change. So it still remain because it's still big, small. So 234, we can still click, just re-click. If you don't re-click it to pop up the keyboard, it won't change. So not this. You must not highlight the graphics. The middle one is the one you have to click. So you must not. So I'm trying to click the middle one because it's very tiny and I'm supposed to rotate. So now 234. Let's make it to be 230 instead of 234. 230 should be okay. So now you see it's very fitting. So just don't parabolating. Memorize 230. As you get here, just type 230. It will fit in. Now, how can I position it very well? You see at the top, there is an icon here. At the top, tap it. You see the blue is no more at the text, which is T. It's at the top now. That one will be able to allow me to move it and reposition to the center. Now, click on File and click on Save with Smart Object. Then automatically, it will transform. Click on the back, which is the name of the PSD file, to see the result. One is done, because you are working on the text before. But for you to see the result, you must click back on the main product, on the main source. So now you can see back graphics remain Diko. So I will tap on the layer, the first one now. I will click on it, double tap, then tap on the result here. I will delete everything there, then and type Diko. You can see delete everything, then tap Diko. So after tapping the Diko, then I will click send. Send, then click here. You can see the result now. Then you click on File, click on Save with Smart Object. Save with Smart Object. Then click on the back, which is the name of the icon, of the PSD, for us to see the result once it's displayed. So we're waiting. It won't take much time anyway. So you can see Diko graphics. Now, all the PSD text effect, 100% editable. You can remove, you can leave everything. So what about, there are two things that will teach you. I will first of all save this one. If I want to save, I will save this one first. I will remove others. Click on save, download. Now you have your result. You can view it if you want. You see the results now. So now how can we remove everything, even including background? Open the file. When you open the file, hide the two text at the top, hide the three at the bottom, leave the effect. Then you look at it. It doesn't have any background again. You can save it. After saving it, you can go and be using it. You can use it on your pixel app as an heading when you are making any kind of a flyer. You get it? Then if you want to put your background, put background. Then you see all those lines and everything are no more there. You can save it like this. It depends. Then everything is set. So now we can check our gallery. Check our gallery to see everything we've done. Then you can look at it. This one has nothing and it was so cool. This one has no background. This one having background and the text. And this is the first one. So I believe we all learn from here. And this is awesome. Thanks for watching. God bless you.